Hello and welcome to Westsize. My name is Tim and today we are going to build a drone. First we need a drone kit. I used kit DJI F450 because it's a great first drone. So now let's unbox it. Inside we get almost everything we need. It costs $250, which is quite cheap and it is good. In the box we get top and the bottom plate, of course some paperwork which we don't need, then front and back legs for the motors, some accessories and of course the motors and ACTs. And I almost forgot 3 pairs of blades. So now let's take the plastic off the arms and take out the top and the bottom plate so we can start assembling. First we have to screw motors on legs. I suggest that you look some pictures on the internet to know which motor goes on which arm. This can take some time, so be patient and screw motors tight on arms. When we've done that, we can start soldering the connectors for battery on the bottom plate. Make sure that you do soldering good, because you don't want to fail your drone from the sky. Now, take the ACTs. These things are for controlling the speed of the motors. Unwrap the cables and make sure that you solder white cable on plus and black on minus. Again, make sure that you do soldering good. You can also put some hot glue that it will last for a longer time. Do that for all 4 ACTs and of course be patient. When you're done with that, you have to see something like that. Next, take arms with the motors and screw it on the bottom plate. When I was building drone, this part took very long time. The screws are very small and it's quite hard part of assembling. I had a lot of problems when I was doing that. With the arms on drone, you have to get something like that. I chose the red arms will be the front and the white will be rear. Now we have to unbox our autopilot. I chose DJI Naza M Lite with GPS. Inside we get the autopilot DJI Naza Lite, power supply, paperwork which are a little bit useful, we get the LED module. We get also accessories like cables to connect DJI Naza to a receiver and double-sided tape, USB cable to connect the DJI Naza to a computer, and of course the GPS module. DJI Naza M Lite is very easy to use. At the front we have connectors for motors, and at the back we have port for LED module, GPS module and port to a receiver. Put some double-sided tape and mount DJI Naza right in the middle of the drone. You have to press it hard so it will stay there no matter what. Make sure that the arrow on DJI Naza is pointing in the way the drone will fly. Now take the power supply for DJI Naza and solder wires where the battery connectors are soldered. Then take the cables and put them into the backside of the DJI Naza. Take at least 4-channel receiver and put the wires from DJI Naza to a receiver. You should get something like that. Take out the LED module. This will serve as a connection to a computer. Place it on the left back arm on a drone and connect it to the LED port on DJI Naza. Then open the box with GPS. Inside you get GPS module, which is then connected on GPS port on DJI Naza. This module will make the drone to hold a location even in strong wind, and we also get some accessories. With these accessories we build a stand that goes on the top of the drone and it will hold GPS module. You can use some hot glue or super glue. When you've done that, you put stickers on the top plate and battery and just screw the top plate on the drone and that's it. Your final product should look something like that. I also put some red LEDs on the front, so if I'm flying a drone at night, I know which way is forward. Make sure to subscribe and watch my video part 2, where I show how to program DJI Naza and your transmitter and also make the first test flight.